Hey friends, if you encounter the error unable to create or add a new Microsoft account in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to perform a clean boot. How would you perform a clean boot on your system? So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart the computer. The next solution is to perform a malware scan on your computer. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Now go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab and then click on Scan options, select Full Scan, scroll down and click on Scan Now. The next solution will be an SFC scan. Okay. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. This is all you can do. If it doesn't help, then a cloud reset will be the last option. But before you perform a cloud reset, you should know one thing, that a cloud reset will delete all data on your system, and thus we request you to back up your data before anything else. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then we will go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select recovery, click on reset PC, remove everything, and then finally cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.